Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to check if your Ryanair suitcase fits under the seat with the wheels on. This is super important because Ryanair measures bags strictly at boarding, and knowing whether your suitcase complies with their rules beforehand can save you from unexpected fees at the gate. First, open your web browser and head to the official Ryanair website. In the address bar, type www.ryanair.com and press enter. This takes you straight to their homepage where you can access all the official baggage information you'll need. Once you're on the homepage, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a link labeled Help Center. Click on it. The Help Center is where Ryanair stores all their customer service resources, including detailed baggage policies and size restrictions. Inside the Help Center, look for the section called Bag Rules and click on it. This section breaks down everything you need to know about what you can and can't bring on board. It's the most reliable source for checking size limits and avoiding any confusion. Now, within Bag Rules, find the section that describes the small personal bag, also known as the underseat bag. This is the bag that must fit underneath the seat in front of you during the flight. Click on this section to view the specific dimensions. Here's the critical part. Ryanair's official maximum size for an underseat bag is 40 centimeters by 30 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and this measurement includes the wheels. That means you can't measure just the fabric part of your suitcase. The wheels count toward the total size, so make sure you're measuring from the bottom of the wheels to the top of the bag. While you're checking dimensions, also confirm that your suitcase complies with Ryanair's weight limit. For a personal bag, the maximum weight allowed is up to 10 kilograms. Staying within both the size and weight limits ensures smooth boarding without extra charges. Ryanair is known for being strict about these measurements at the gate, so it's worth double-checking your bag at home with a tape measure before you travel. By verifying that your suitcase, including wheels, fits within the 40 by 30 by 20 centimeter requirement, you'll avoid any last-minute surprises or additional fees. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.